Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 20 Pro, and today I'll show you how to record screen on this device. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the toggle, which should be somewhere on one of the pages. So for me it's right here. So once you find it, you can tap on it, allow access to whatever it wants, and it will start a countdown from 3, and once it finishes it, it's automatically going to record. So whatever you will do right now is being recorded. So once you're done, all you need to do is click on this to stop recording. Now, additionally, let's see if there are any settings by holding the screen recording toggle. As you can see, once you hold it, it brings you to the settings right here. So you can change things like the resolution, what is being recorded. So you have either mute or microphone, which is really, the settings right here are just super limited. So you can change the resolution, which I don't recommend. The default one is the highest, so that's probably the best option. And in terms of sound, you only have microphone or mute. Apparently the device doesn't record any kind of sounds it makes itself. So it only records microphone or nothing. And then a single toggle for the touch input. So whenever you're touching the screen, it creates that gray dot that you will see in the recording. So anyway, once it's finished recording, you can find the actual recording in your gallery application, either in the moments, somewhere in here, or by going into the albums and selecting the screen recorder folder, which will contain it. I'm going to mute it right now just so I don't hear myself. So as you can see, this is the recording. So that's it. So that is how you record your screen, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.